Great exchange. Verse 13. If we are out of our minds, it is for God. If we are of sound mind, it is for you. Strange verse, eh? If you are out of our mind, it is for God. So if you walk now in the streets with a banner and say, we live for righteousness, give your life to God, and you have a flag and everything, what will you be seen as? Nuts. You would be seen as out of your mind. If you get locked up in that same position and you go to jail and you continue to praise and worship, what will be said of you? You're out of your mind. If something happens to you and somebody try to take your life, when you turn around and you pray for them, what are people going to say? You're out of your mind. That's what Paul says, and Paul lived this. He went back. He was always looking for opportunities to reason and persuade others of Jesus. So he went back. He wants you to understand, you and me, and every person he can, even if it costs his life. He had a great exchange. He's out of his mind for God. So the Lord might challenge you with out of your mind things. And it's so sad because the times we live in is the times what is wrong seems right and what is right seems wrong. So you're going to look out of your mind.